Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on the WebTech zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create and share a Google Drive folder with links. So I'm going to show in my desktop, but if you're using iPhone or Android phone, you can follow the same step. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see this is my Google Drive, and first I show you how you can create folders. So go to the new, and here you can create new folder. Like new folder, you have to give the name. So you can create folders and folder will be created, and this is my new folder. You can open it and you can add files like photo from here. Just click on it and you can upload files and folder also in this folder. Okay, so if you want to upload folder from your computer, just click on it and go to the folder upload, and you will see it will take you the your Google your device. So just find your folder from here and just click on folder and upload. It will be upload. Okay, so now if we create or upload this folder, so just how you can share this folder with links. So you have to just click right and go to the get links, and here you can see the links. You can copy it and you can share anywhere. You can share on WhatsApp, Messenger, anywhere. But before that, you have to make sure you have restricted means you have to add peoples before you. Only people add can be open this link, so you have to add people. So how you can add people? You can click on it and you have to add here. Okay, so just go to here, and if you want to make it public or if you want to send this link on WhatsApp, so if you want to open it by clicking by anyone, so just you click on it and you can click on anyone with this restricted, and then you have to copy the link and you can share anywhere. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.